Hey there, it's Miss Monica Blanco, and today I'm going to show you guys something that I stumbled upon called Linktr.ee. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it or if you're already utilizing it, but I thought it was such an amazing platform to utilize for your business that I thought I would do a quick tutorial to share it with you. So what you guys are looking at right now is my desktop for my Instagram. And if you look right here, you'll see a link. Typically, you'll see websites. Everybody kind of tries to condense everything into one, and it just looks so busy. I can't stand it. If you're anything like me, a business owner, or you guys are trying to have a call to action right in one link, this is the perfect platform for you. So we'll go ahead and click on this. It's going to take you over to my Linktree account that's already set up. And this is what you're going to see. So this is my, I basically have categorized everything with what I want my followers to see. So my newest blog, Instagram highlights for your business, my spray tanning recommendations for products and equipment, my summer beauty essentials, my LinkedIn account, and my blog. So like I said, you can arrange it, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how right over here. So Linktree has a very unique way that they spell it, but don't worry about it. I'll put all the information in the box below so you guys can just click on it and set up your account if you'd like to do that. So it's spelled like that. Anyway, so this is my account. And like I said, all you have to do is just go sign up for free. You have 5 links that you can utilize. Arrange them the way that you want. There is a business pro version. I don't need that right now. This is actually working perfect for me, but if you have more than 5 links, you might want to check that out. I don't know too much about it, but it's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this and add a new link. So we'll title this one Instagram highlights for your business. Wow. Oh, no, I spelled that wrong. Okay. So then right here, you just click on the URL, go up to wherever you want to drive the traffic to, copy the URL, take it here, and then paste it, hit enter, and it should update for you immediately. Just to make sure that it does, you want to go ahead and go over to your Instagram, hit the refresh button, and then we're going to click on the link just to make sure that we implemented that correctly. So let's click on it. Okay, so it did right here. So this is a great tool to utilize for anybody in my industry, the salon professional industry. So if you have services that you want people to see, if you have a Facebook fan page you want people to see, if you have a appointment center or online platform that you want people to be able to just click and make their own appointment, whatever it is, this is a great platform to utilize that. So think about what it is that you're trying to show your followers and just categorize it by within these 5 links. But like I said, I can't stand the clutter. So this is a great way for me to condense everything and just shrink it down. And I think it's going to be an amazing call to action for all you business owners out there. So if you guys have found this valuable, which I hope you have, I would love to see your new link trees in your bio. If you guys want to tag me, feel free. I'm at Miss Monica Blanco. And if you guys want to leave me a comment, or if you know something that I don't, I would absolutely appreciate you guys to go ahead and comment below and let me know what you guys have figured out so I can try and implement that. And if you guys want more, I'm going to be uploading some other amazing things that I've been working on. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I hope, again, that you guys found this valuable, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.